Good evening. Reception. How can I help you?
Hello, this is room 315. I'm afraid there's a problem with the hot water.
I'm sorry to hear that. What exactly is the problem?
Well, I just tried to take a shower, and there's no hot water at all. Only cold water is coming out.
Oh dear, I apologize for that. Have you let the water run for a minute or two? Sometimes it takes a moment to heat up.
Yes, I've been waiting for about 5 minutes now, and it's still completely cold.
I see. That's definitely not right. Let me check if this is affecting other rooms. It seems to be just your room. I'll send our maintenance person up right away.
How long will that take? I really need to shower before dinner.
He should be there within 10 minutes. In the meantime, would you like to use another room to shower? We have a vacant room on the same floor.
That would be helpful, yes.
Perfect. I'll send someone up with a key to room 320. You can use the bathroom there while we fix yours.
Thank you. What if the problem can't be fixed tonight?
If we can't repair it this evening, we'll move you to room 320 permanently at no extra charge. It's actually a slightly larger room.
Okay, that sounds fair. I appreciate your quick response.
You're very welcome. I'm terribly sorry for the inconvenience. Someone will be at your door with the key in just a moment.